What's up, my friend? I am your W3 guru. In this video lesson, we'll cover how we can use icon fonts in Webflow, like Linearicons and Font Awesome. In my previous video lesson, you learned how to add hover in and hover out animation. If you haven't watched it yet, please watch and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start. I have already created 4 blocks in which I will add icons using fonts. For that, we need to install fonts in this project. Go to Project Settings. Click on Font tab. Here you will find Google's collection of free web fonts. You can just select fonts from list and add it. This is added Google font. For icons we will install custom fonts, and I have installed already one. You can upload any web fonts, and they will be added to the font family list. For maximum browser support, upload TTF, OTF, EAT and WAF. First we need to download icon fonts. I will do it with Font Awesome 4 and Linearicons. I will use free version. Download it. Also download Font Awesome. In Linearicons folder, we will use True Type font, which is inside Desktop Font folder. And for icon reference this HTML document. Like, for moon or night, we will copy this character. Okay, let's get back to Webflow font under Project Settings. And upload Linearicon TTF file. Upload font file. Let's upload Font Awesome font file as well. I will upload OTF file format. For maximum browser support, you can upload TTF, OTF, EOT and WOFF. Now we have Linearicon and Font Awesome installed to our project. Get back to Designer view. I will add icon inline with title. Add icon inside the service icon inline block. Let's add diamond icon for this title. Copy this character. Add text element inside the icon div. Replace this text with icon character. Select Service Icon div and select Linear Icon font. Now you can see the icon. Let's do some cosmetic works. We have icon in our all 4 div block. Let's change with its title. Our all for icons are linear icon. I will change one of these icon with font Awesome. I will change this one. Go to Font Awesome's icon cheat sheet. And select any one for demo. I will select FA Angelist. Copy its character. And replace this one. I will overwrite its font by adding combo class. Change font to Font Awesome. You are done now. Friends, in this video lesson, you learned how to use icon fonts in Webflow. If this video lesson is helpful for you and you like it, please press like button. If you have any questions, please ask. Post your question in comments section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.